Hey Moeller, where do I get one of these VHS frames?
I think they're all gone.
We're gonna do that too. I didn't get one.
Sold out. Yeah. You didn't get on it early enough.
I gotta stick with that.
You should have called your rep.
I gotta stick with the Hango.
Yep, you gotta ride the Hango for a little bit. Did we not put one aside for you?
What's going on out here? We're trying to track down a bicycle.
It's sold out. Everyone wants it.
Is it really? You saved me one, right?
Sure.
The fit cranks.
Problem solved.
Problem solved. I found the Series 1.
All right. Do you got an American bottom bracket for this?
Good. You're good to go.
Do you have a headset cup?
Yeah, you're gonna get
The solid headset
you
cup?
can get a Super G Gorilla Cup. Here's your bars here. With the gold bolt.
All right.
The gold bolt everyone's looking for.
Are these compatible?
Yeah.
Vandal bars?
We got black and chrome.
Black. We're gonna do black. I definitely need cranks. You know, I got 180s. My gates need work.
Yeah, your gates starting to work.
We're gonna go down here underneath Matt Behringer. One option, or take your poison.
Bar.
Hell yeah. I'm sorry, Hango, I'm moving off your frame. Sorry, it was good. It treated me good for a while, but time to move on. Bigger and better, literally. It's crazy. I think I have more signature products with fit right now than I ever did. Weird, right? Right. Let's get to work, Fudger. Did you see how quick Hango got out of here when he seen this? He was like, oh man, he's moving on. He knows I'm moving on. He's having a hard time with it. I thought that was me first.
Good die.
Right on the BMX.
I think a car clipped his front wheel. Dude, Van's bike took me out.
Dude, did you fuck up my wheel? God damn it.
Is it fucked up?
You fucked up my wheel?
Nuh-uh. Dude, don't start. I almost died.
Jordan Hango stole my bike. He thought just because it was his bike, he could just take it whenever he wants. We're gonna put some bearings in this thing. You just use this press right here for the bearings?
Risk it?
What, you think we can't pull it? All right, and go.
How many bikes have you built in your life?
I don't know. I mean, I've built way more than I could ever count, but I miss the days when I I had a shop for like 6 years, I could just pass my bike off and someone would just build it for me. It was amazing. Moeller, how's this seat post work? No, I don't remember. I don't think I got too bummed when people took their brakes off. As long as Daryl Taco still had them, I felt good. I tried plastics, like when they first started to become the rage, like I tried them for like a week, and then I was trying to uproute a whip and my feet just kept like blowing off, and I swore that they wouldn't be if I had metal. And then I went to the trails and my feet were like muddy one day, and I was just like, nope. It's only been 46 minutes. I'm so good at this. Wiping grease in my hair. It's not looking good for me at this rate.
So what does that thing do?
This? Foofing news. What's up, Spreet? Now, come on in. Seems like we're putting on brake levers.
Putting on something called brakes.
You're not hitting the red?
Nah, that was too much for me. I think I would have got like bored of it too quick. Wait, this is the guy that knows about brakes too. Delegating. See, I got two people. One guy's getting me a bolt. Another guy's getting me my grips. Spreet, what do you got? How about a chain tool? Can you find me a chain tool? We're getting somewhere. That actually looks like a bike at least. Looks pretty classic.
What's the geometry?
It's classic. It's a good all-around vessel.
Hi, Sean.
What's that?
Torque.
You gotta tighten that good. I think this might be a complete vessel. This is man shit, dog.
Yeah?
I'll do those wussy ass crooked grinds. It's just for man moves. I think it's a bike. I don't know.
Hour and 14.
Is that it? My God, that might be our new record. Yeah. We got the brakes on and everything. We're not even really, like, it's actually like, we're not even really faking this. This thing's actually pedalable.
All right, bunny outlet.
From the barn.
Right here.
Right here.